gonna play with Jackson and Gavin.
What's this one? This is a chocolate maker.
To make your...
Okay, seriously, I'm just taking this to St. George and me and Grandma are making.
Good. Sounds like a great idea to me. What do you open there, bud? Do we even know if that's one of his that he's opening?
Yeah. Here's some scissors. Here, I'll do it.
Hey, bud.
Christmas 2012.
Did Santa bring you lots of fun presents? You love them?
Boy's 4 years old. And Gwen is
What's in
14.
your box?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know. Maybe it's this. Wise man.
Yeah, see what it is.
It's for you.
No, these are for you.
Oh. These are for me. And what else do I do?
Not much
Bud,
of a
come here.
reaction there.